All right, welcome to part 2. Here we'll be exploring the Google Classroom grading tool in detail. This is one of my favorite and my most used parts of the LMS. It's really powerful, but it's also approachable and it's pretty easy to use. So in this part of the tutorial, I'm picking up from part 1 where Michaela had finished her math homework, but Gabe was still working. I'm going to head to the grades page where I can see that Michaela has submitted her work, but Gabe hasn't. I'll go ahead and click View Submission to open Michaela's work in the grading tool. All right, so here we are. In the center of the page, we can see Michaela's work with the answers she typed. We can edit this document directly as if we were in Google Docs, as if it were our own, and we can also leave comments in it, which is really great for giving targeted individual feedback to our students. Here on the right, we can see the files Michaela submitted, but in this case, it's just this one. If there were more, they would show up here. I can also assign a grade, and I can write a private comment that only Michaela will see on this assignment. Once I've graded the work, I can hit return, which will let Michaela see her grade, although I'm actually going to hold off on that for a moment. Michaela's grade will be saved as a draft. If I click here on these little arrows, I can move between student submissions, or I can click here to see a list of all my student submissions for this assignment. So let's quickly switch to Gabe's work. So it looks like he was getting creative with his answers, which is maybe why he was taking so long. I'll give him credit for the 2 answers, and it's important to point out that I can view and even grade his work without him submitting it. My personal workflow, what I find useful, is to sort by status, and then I just start at the top and work my way through them with the arrows, assigning grades until I reach the last one. Then, if I click this little down arrow next to the return button, I can return all, which does it in one go.